What's up, guys? So I just dropped off all my motor stuff over there at Coilover Auto. So as I try to do this with one hand, I'm getting ready to bring my bare neon SRT4 cylinder block to a garage slash machine shop that actually rebuilt my buddy Smileys yellow neon SRT4. You guys remember that day when I did that video? Smileys solar yellow SRT4. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll leave it at the top of the screen and in the description. Here it is, you guys. I got my block, I got my ladder, cradle, whatever you want to call it, bed plate. I got my original pistons. I got my Modern Performance rebuild kit, and I got a bunch of accessories that are just sitting over there. I got my baby Lexi right there. Hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. Yes. Oh, I gotta get my oil pan also. I got 3 oil pans, and last night I realized one of the oil pans had a crack in it. I was heated because I already pressure washed it, and then I brought it to the shop to sandblast it. And here's the other one. This is the one I think I got off of my neon block, but I'm bringing both of them actually. Guys, so I'm gonna get to the shop and we are going to drop it off, and I'll give you guys an update in just a little bit. I thought they were on Newbury Street in Peabody, but I guess they moved to the Salem Peabody line. So it's over there right next to that green little tote right behind that door. But I dropped it off. I'm gonna get an update in a couple days. I dropped off the block, the bed plate, the crank, the old pistons, the old bearings, the squirters, the rebuild kit, the DCR windage tray, pickup tube, parameter kit, all that stuff. So it's at Coilover, so I'll give you guys an update as soon as possible. If you haven't yet subscribed or followed me on Instagram, do that because I give more updates on that daily. So until then, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!